Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool middleware right here, and basically what this is a charcoal face mask. So you see the one that we got right here is from the brand called Mediheal, and this is basically what the packaging looks like. So you see how this one is called a W.H.P. Brightening Hydrating Charcoal Mask, and they basically probably got some of the benefits that's on here and here as well. And right here they mention some of the ingredients that they use on here. If you guys can see in the back right here, they probably got some of the instruction to teach you guys how to actually use it. So basically the first step, you guys want to cleanse or tone your face, and then you want to apply the mask on afterward. Once you guys apply it on, you guys want to leave it on for around 10 to 20 minutes. And after 10 to 20 minutes, you guys want to remove the actual product. So they do advise that you guys use this product around 2 to 3 times per week. And they basically advise that you guys use it for around like 1 month as a 1 month program if you guys want to take care of your skin and brighten up. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open the inside to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. You can see they provide you guys 10 of these right here, and basically all of them are the same thing. So for this product right here, they do have this available in a bigger set. So if you guys want more, you can definitely purchase more. But since all these are the same thing, let me actually take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you take out one of them, this actually looks like right here. So basically the way how they designed the package is very similar to the one that I see in the box. You can see all the information on here is basically the same thing. The brand logo right here, the product name right here, the benefit of the product, and also what's included right here. And definitely in the back right here, they probably got instructions to teach you guys how to use as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Let me actually go test it out to show you guys what the product looks like inside, and also show you guys how to use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so we got the product right here. Before I actually open up the product, I do want to cleanse my face first. So basically the cleanser that I'll be using is this one right here. You can see it from the brand called Cortex right here. So I'm actually using this to actually cleanse my face first. Alright, so I just finished cleansing my face. Usually what you guys want to do afterward is apply a toner. But just for this test, I'm not going to actually use a toner. I'm just going to apply the face mask on. So let's open up the actual face mask and see what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys take it out, you can definitely see the charcoal mask on here. So you guys want to slowly open up and apply this onto your face. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. Let's put it on. So when you guys apply it on, you want to gently pat it. Make sure it's evenly spread out. Alright, so that should be good. So we'll leave this on for around like 10 to 20 minutes and then come back and check on it. But see in the bottom part right here, it doesn't really stick on too well because I do have my beard. So if you guys do have like a beard, that might be an issue. So you probably want to shave before you guys use it. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first put it on. Then mention wait around like 20 minutes and come back and check on it. Alright, so it's been around like 20 minutes after using the product. It definitely feels really relaxing after you guys use it. You can definitely feel that the mask actually helps you guys moisturize your face. Only issue that I had is probably like the bottom part right here, like I mentioned, because I have a beard. It's not applying directly onto my skin because of the beard. So it doesn't really stick on. But everything else for like the other parts of my face, you can see right here, right here, right here, and right here. And even for those areas here, it actually sticks on pretty well. So for any of the extra ingredients or material on here, you can definitely just wipe it off, apply it onto your skin. And then once you guys are done, you can definitely remove it. So let's take it off. Alright, so once you guys take it off, you can definitely use the extra part right here and swipe it on your face if you guys want to. And then once you guys do that, you guys are basically all set. So basically for this face mask right here, you don't need to actually wash your face after because it's supposed to help you guys brighten up and also moisturize and purify your skin. So that is all you guys need to do for this process right here. So if you guys want to get the best benefit of this product right here, they do recommend that you guys want to use it around like 2 to 3 times per week for a whole month. But that is basically everything that's on the product here and how to actually use it. If you can see, it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test, the product definitely see actually does work, actually works quite well. So definitely once you guys apply the product onto your face, you can definitely feel like that moisturizing kind of feeling. And you also feel like the hydration as well when you guys apply it on, which is definitely super useful, especially for people who have like tired skin or tired looking skin. And also if you guys are trying to like brighten up your face, definitely using one of these charcoal masks is actually really helpful with that as well. But if you guys want to get the full benefit of the product, you definitely want to follow the 1 month program that they mentioned, how you probably want to use it 2 to 3 times per week. And also for this brand, they actually make a lot of different types of face masks. They have one called the NMF, the DNA, the T3, and they also have one with collagen and also so many other ones as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys want. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Not a unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these, especially if you guys want all like the benefits and specs that's on this product here. In terms of like brightening up your skin, moisturizing your skin, and also purifying your skin as well. If you guys want all of that benefit and so much more, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.